Hey guys, you will notice we are here with a drone. Not something we normally have on our channel, but we got this at a good price, so we figured we would show it off for you guys. This is the Revolution by Horizon Hobby. It comes in, right now they're on sale for $81.99. They do photo and video. They're supposed to do first-person view camera for smartphone and memory card. The only way we've been able to get it to work so far is from the memory card that goes in it. It may be that we're doing something wrong, but when we download the app, it doesn't seem to want to save the pictures and video. Anyways, this has a 380 milliamp battery with a 25C discharge.
Nice.
And yeah, so I'm gonna hand this over to Dave and let him fly it, and we're gonna drop a link below and you guys can check out more information online.
All right. Do got the memory card in it, all that good stuff, I think. Let's see here.
So we're testing out this drone that we got
Got a little breeze
a while back from Big Hill Hobbies in Richmond.
Turn this puppy up, take off. Start shooting some video off of it.
This is a beautiful day out today for this, and he's off. We'll cut you guys back in on the drone footage. He's currently hands-free on it.
Look how stable. Zoom in on that, if you can.
I was gonna say, it's a bird. It's a plane.
And this is still hands-free.
No, it's a drone. Still hands-free. You can see it's a little tiny speck up there.
I'll bring it down. Yeah, I'll bring it down. Oh, let's shut the camera off.
He's bringing it in for a landing at this moment. There's people going by.
Wind's blowing hard. Where's the cutoff? Oh, there it is. Heck yeah.
This is a really stable drone. This is actually one of the more stable ones we've had.
And that should be...
It even has a phone mount on the controller.
Oh, yeah.
So if you want to put your phone up there.
This is all your trims. Still not sure what the OK button's for. Probably need to try a little more with that. Your height adjustment, rotation.
And there's how you start
and your rate.
Camera and video.
Camera, video. Hold it down for 2 seconds or tap it for a photo. All right.
we're going to be having some more stuff like this on our channel here within the next couple of weeks, just because we already have the stuff on hand. But thank you guys for watching. And are you going to get it? Well, he's out of camera.
I did launch it.
I mean, you can see the little black dot. There we go.
Ooh, cross breeze.
It's almost like a UFO. See you guys next time.